Welcome back to another weekly Wednesday walkthrough. Today, I want to quickly highlight a feature we launched a little while ago that's definitely worth checking out if you haven't seen it yet. We added filters to the Doma marketplace, which makes it much easier to browse and find the kinds of names you're actually interested in. If you go to the Doma app and check out the marketplace under Explore then Domains, you'll see a range of filters that help you narrow things down here on the left side, whether that's by keywords, TLDs, price range, registrar, length, characters, chains, and more. It's one of those small updates that makes the whole browsing experience feel a lot smoother. And the best part is, it doesn't stop at domains. You can also use filters across subdomains, tokens, and pools, so finding what you want is faster and easier across the board. That's it for today's walkthrough. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Drop a like if this helped, and make sure you're following us on X so you don't miss the next update.